Today we're going to take a look at the Telesin filter kit. This for the Insta360 Luna Ultra. This was sent out for review. We're going to take a look at it. I'll give you some demonstrations. You get 3 of these. You get an ND4, ND16, ND64. They got a nano-coated multi-layer coating, premium optical glass, strong magnetic attachment. What I do like about these is that they kind of have a groove on each side that allows you to take them off a lot easier than a lot of the filters you may see. So this is kind of like at the later part of the day. I'll set it to what I normally would do if I'm trying to get like the shutter speed correct. So if I do 24 frames per second, 1/50, you can see it will get blown out. If you want that motion blur, you'll definitely need ND filters. These act like sunglasses. So I'll give you a few examples. I'll try the 3 different ones. You can see how much darker or lighter they are. And they do stack, but they only will close with one filter. Overall, I think these are a great addition to my kit, and they're going to come in handy when I'm filming outside for sure.